This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 27, 2022. It's currently August 25th, 2022, 9:40 p.m. That's Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have an attempt to establish new support here. The theme card correlates directly with the high card, and the high card is also sideways rotation along support. So that would indicate that we're attempting to establish new support at a high. And the low position also marks the low position in the reading also is indicated of a resistance level, and being that it's in the low position, that's also bullish. When we look at the 1 month overview, we have a lot of Queen of Discs energy surrounding the 27th on the 1 days, and it correlates directly to the 27th 1 day card, which is the Queen of Discs. Directly correlating to the high, a sharp decline off of the month's high, so we can be sure that after this move, there's likely a very strong decline. It would make sense with this indolence card. All right, so in the pre-market, we have sideways rotation with a bullish trend that precedes a decline. Looks like right at the open, or right around the open, there's a decline that offers an opportunity to open up a short position. It's short-lived. Even in the face of seemingly overwhelming headwinds, there's a move to the upside. Notable on a 1 day chart, looks like it probably around, out of a low, probably around like 940, 945. And then out of that low, that bit of that decline, which is quick, it's an opportunity to open up a long position. A rally commences between roughly 10 and 11, continues into the 11 to 12 o'clock hour roughly. Notable moves on a 1 day chart to the upside. We're capped off at bound by a range around midday. It looks like bound by a range, and rallies cut short by range there midday, and then we have a bit of a decline from roughly 1 to 2-ish. Prominent trough around 2 o'clock, and then there's a big move to the upside, unexpected move to the upside. Looks like a cash out opportunity here at the close, the completion of a rally. Interesting. So there's a completion of a rally around like 3 o'clock. It looks like we have a lot of movement towards the close. A big price move in the last hour trading. And so there's a cash out opportunity at roughly, let's say, between 2 and 3 o'clock. So I'll be buying calls at the open, selling those calls between roughly 2 and 3 o'clock. And then the sneak preview card for the following day. There's also a good trade for the following day in the bits of a sideways S formation between horizontal resistance and support. We also have a U-shaped dip in the midst of the post-market. And that's the S&P 500 for October 27, 2022, my friends. I'm advised that the high to open up some protection as well. I don't want to leave that out. I'm advised that the high to open up some protection, especially being that this is likely a high for another high for the month. The highs on the 1 month overview, the high for the month is there's a sharp decline, a notable on a 1 month chart, sharp decline off of the high. So we should see that, and being there should be some protection purchased here at the end of the day. Thanks for watching, my friends. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. Most importantly, that rule of karma: pay a little bit forward, pay a little bit back. The rest of it, make sure you spend it out of love, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.